Hello guys. I made a previous video on the generator, but this time I will write a new one from scratch. I have this Node 3D here, just empty Node 3D. I call it tree group because I want to create a patch of a tree, and we doing it with generate a group point, and within that point we will make create our trees, whether it's 4 3 1 or 5, or how many or how much we want the group tree group to be. So this one, and I went to add a new node 3D. This one will be tree, we call it trees, or tree generate trees. Oh, trees, okay. So in the Node 3D here, I have attached a script. In the script, there is a tool, add tool above here. You need to add that so that we can run it in the editors and edit from the inspector here. So I made this is a test code, and I use the ready function first without the uh, without using the tool or any modification in the inspector, so that I will know that the code will works. So in this area range variable, and this one here is a new scene preload cube, just this one here, just an empty cube with just a node 3D and a mesh instant node to hold the cube. And this in the function ready, I create a temporary variable called tree group count and variable count loop for the while loop. In the while loop not less than 3 group count, and then we generate a point. So I use the cube here to create or to give me a visual of the point that we will generate. And also we need to add a new variable. This one is called, let we save our new position. Oh no, that will be yes. And this variable post generate reference, we will add to this. When we create our actual group, we need to offset the position based on the group point. So this new new scene, we use the instantiate function to create a new scene, and then we get our group point node here and add a child to this one, so it will become like this. And then we can see where the point are in the scene. So we add a new child, and then we create a new position for this child. This will be a random between range float -2 and 2, and also the z position -2 and 2, which is basically a square area. And then create new position dot y equals 0. So our height is based on the group point position. And then new instant dot position equal create new post. And then we need to add a closing for our while loop. We use count loop plus equal 1, so that when the loop count bigger than 3 group, and the while statement will close or will end. So if we run the scene, and we generate a 4 cube is 5. Why is it 4? How about 3 range? We this 5 because the range are small, so some of the cube are in the same position, and we have a 5 point generated. Yay! Now then, after we generate the point, we can use the child group point to get a position reference here. So we use var. We need to get the group point children. So we create a variable called to hold the group point children. We use this name variable group point child's node equal get group point dot get children. So we will get the group point children's, and then we can use the for statement for node in group point child's node, and then we can get the position. We take the post generation reference, and then we use dot because it is an array. We can use the function called append. Post generated reference dot append, and then we get the node dot position. This one will be a local coordinate, so when we move the tree group, it will move as well. And then we use the print, and then we print the post gen ref. If we run the scene and then quit it, then okay, so this one we run the scene. Nope, wrong scene. Where is it? Testing node tool. Yes, this one. And we have 5 cube. And this one, this is the position that we print: the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Alright, so this is, and also we have this one instance here actually, because we using the tool node, it also run and then it create the node within this group. And to see the node that we created in this scene, we use the new instance dot owner equal get scene, no, get 3 dot get editor. No, get 3 or get scene. I forgot. Get 3 dot edited scene root, and then we run it again, and with alright. Okay, that's okay. We will actually, before we create anything, just so we create a new variable to hold the group point children, and then for node in clear, we essentially wipe clean the group point so that it doesn't have any node, but it still exists because we never run this scene. So it's fine.